Congrats Gayathri for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So, what's your education?
I have completed my BTech in the stream of ECE in the
Okay.
year 2015.
Okay, what were you doing all these years?
Actually, I have taken the bank coaching
Okay.
for a few months.
Okay.
After that, I was at home only preparing myself.
Okay.
And later on, due to my mother's health problem, it's became mandatory for me to stay at home.
Okay.
And now I came to know that by one of my brother's friend.
Okay.
BRN was good, and actually I thought to come do job. I got a much long gap.
Okay.
So I thought to do job now. So I asked him.
Okay.
He said you take software coaching.
Okay.
I came here to take software coaching, but I don't have any idea what to take. Then he suggested
Okay.
BRN.
Okay.
You can succeed it very well. You can get even surely you can get the job.
Okay. So, what's the first day of Gayathri and till today? What kind of difference that have been observed?
Actually, I'm not from CSE. For first few days, I felt very hard to do it
Okay.
because even I don't even know the basics of C language and all. I don't know even the syntaxes.
Okay.
It became very hard, but going on, I was able to understand when I was doing it.
Okay. So, what is the major difference between normal training and BRN training?
Normal training, just they'll say the classes and they'll leave it.
Okay.
And here, more than classes, we are practicing by ourselves.
Okay.
So it becomes very easy for me to understand by myself.
Before joining BRN, you must be having some doubt whether you will get a job or not because already you got a
Yes,
long gap. So, how did you trust?
I thought that if we do a hard work, there is nothing will be impossible. So
Okay.
with that trust, I came here.
Okay.
And starting few days, I felt that no, I can't do. But later on, because of my friends, I came to know that yes, even I can do it.
Okay. So you must be you must be watching a lot of success videos before joining BRN. Now your success video is going to be on YouTube, which is going to inspire many more. So how do you feel now?
I feel very happy, and I am waiting to show that to my mom because she only sent. Even my father said that why now it became long gap for you know it may or may not.
Okay.
But she said that once you try, then if it is not good, then you come back to home.
Okay.
So now I am very happy that I made her trust. come
Okay.
true.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for future.
Thank you.